Hello friends, in this video we're going to thoroughly and step-by-step review the popular KuCoin exchange. We'll cover everything from its features to security, trading tools, fees, and even its advantages and disadvantages. If you're looking for an international exchange with lots of features, be sure to stay with me until the end of the video. KuCoin Exchange, established in 2017, is recognized as a global cryptocurrency exchange that supports over 800 cryptocurrencies. This platform is highly popular among both professional and novice traders due to its low fees, advanced trading tools, and wide variety of assets. The registration process on KuCoin is very simple. When you enter the KuCoin Exchange website, you can register by clicking on the Sign Up option and entering an email address that hasn't been registered before or your phone number. After entering your email address, click on the Create Account and Claim Reward option, and note that there are two options here where you confirm that you have accepted all the terms and conditions related to the KuCoin Exchange. At this stage, activate the I am not a robot option, and a code for email verification will be sent to your registered email address. Open the inbox of your registered email address, copy the code, paste it in this section, and then click on the Submit option. At this stage, you need to choose a password for logging into your account. We recommend that your password be between 10 and 32 characters long, and that you use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After choosing your password, click on the Confirm option. Your registration on the KuCoin Exchange has been successfully completed. At this stage, a page will open for us indicating that we need to complete identity verification on the KuCoin Exchange. Identity verification is required to access features such as higher withdrawal limits and to use certain services. Click on the Verify Now option. In this section, select the Verify option. In this section, it informs you that for easier and faster identity verification, you can complete these steps on your mobile phone by scanning the QR code. Otherwise, by clicking the Continue in this browser option, you can complete your identity verification process on this same system. At this stage, you can easily upload your documents and complete your identity verification by selecting one of the following: passport, ID card, or driver's license. After entering your first and last name and your ID number, you will proceed to the next step. And after uploading your documents, your identity verification process will be completed. In the first part, we will review the Buy Crypto section together. KuCoin Exchange offers its users some of the most advanced and diverse methods for buying cryptocurrencies. And we can purchase cryptocurrencies instantly or through various payment methods. And this section is designed in such a way that users can purchase their desired cryptocurrency using fiat currencies like the dollar, euro, etc., even without needing to already own any cryptocurrency. The buying methods on KuCoin include several different options, such as various payment methods, and depending on the user's needs, we can choose one of them. The first section is Fast Trade, where users buy cryptocurrency directly from other users. Here, it's possible to pay using various different methods such as domestic bank cards, mobile transfers, and even local payment apps. The supported payment methods on KuCoin exceed 70 options, including international bank cards like Visa and MasterCard, as well as SWIFT and SEPA bank transfers. Fiat payments can be made through intermediary services and in some countries with local currencies. In this section, you can see the buy and sell form, and the user experience for buying and selling here has been greatly simplified. In the I want to spend section, you enter the amount the user wants to spend, for example, $100, and in the I will receive section, you enter the amount of cryptocurrency to be received, such as USDT. And in the Pay With section, you can select a previously saved bank card, or by clicking on the option, add a new bank card or choose your preferred payment method. And by clicking the Buy USDT option, the transaction is finalized. Note that there is a section where by selecting this option, the user is allowed to set up their purchase to be made automatically and repeatedly. This feature is very suitable for those who are looking for long-term and low-risk investments. There is another section called Reference Price. In this section, the real-time exchange rate between fiat currency and cryptocurrency is displayed to you. In the selling section is the same process. We enter the amount, select our desired option, and by clicking Sell USDT, we sell our currency. The next section is related to peer-to-peer P2P purchases. In this method, users buy cryptocurrency directly from other users. Here you can pay using various methods such as bank cards, mobile transfers, and even payment apps. The next section is recurring purchases. This feature is for people who want to regularly buy a specific amount of cryptocurrency, for example, monthly. It's a suitable tool for long-term investment strategies like dollar cost averaging. And the next section is a special service from KuCoin that allows users to spend cryptocurrencies just like cash, and even use their card directly, without any hassle, to purchase cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions about this section, you can always find the answers through the comprehensive FAQ section in Variet. In the market section of the KuCoin exchange, you can view a detailed and comprehensive overview of the cryptocurrency market and quickly access trading. In the trending section, the most popular cryptocurrencies, those that have attracted the most user attention, are displayed to you. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and KuCoin's native token are shown here along with their prices. This section helps you quickly identify which cryptocurrencies are currently at the center of market attention. The next section is related to the highest growth in the past 24 hours. The cryptocurrencies that have experienced the highest price growth over the past 24 hours are displayed here. This section is a great opportunity to spot cryptocurrencies that are on the rise. And the next section is about the biggest price drops. Unlike the previous section, here you'll find a list of cryptocurrencies that have experienced the largest price declines in the past 24 hours. Analyzing these cryptocurrencies helps users identify potential entry points for buying at the bottom. And keep in mind that by clicking the More option, you can view additional cryptocurrencies within the selected category. In this section, you can see the market selection tabs, which include all, spot, futures, and so on. In the All section, all available cryptocurrencies are displayed to you. And as you can see, by selecting each page, you can review other cryptocurrencies. In the Spot section, you can view the real-time market, where you can check regular trades. And in the Futures section, which pertains to the futures market, you can review futures or leverage trades. In the New Listing section, you can view and review cryptocurrencies that have recently been added to the KuCoin exchange. And in the Crazy Degen section, you can see high-risk and high-potential projects and review them in detail if needed. In the lower section, you can filter cryptocurrencies based on categories, and by selecting any of these, such as DeFi or NFTs, you can sort and view the cryptocurrencies accordingly. Further down, you will see the KuCoin Market Watch. In this section, you can see a table with complete market information where the name of the cryptocurrency, price, 24-hour change, market cap, and 24-hour trading volume are displayed. The row includes the cryptocurrency's logo, ticker symbol, and a miniature price chart, and the details and trade options allow you to view more details or start trading. In this section, next to the name of each cryptocurrency, there is a star icon that you can activate to add that cryptocurrency to your favorites list for quicker access. By enabling the Favorites option, you can review these items in the Favorites section. Overall, the Market section in the KuCoin exchange provides a professional, precise, and fast overview of the cryptocurrency market. In this section, traders can easily review popular rising or declining cryptocurrencies, perform quick analyses, and start their trades. The next section pertains to the trading menu, which in particular provides traders with various features for executing different trading strategies. The first part relates to spot trading, which is the most common type of transaction in cryptocurrency markets. One of the features of this type of trading is the instant buying and selling of cryptocurrencies at market price without leverage. It supports various order types such as stop limit, market limit, and OCO, making it suitable for both beginner and professional traders who want to have direct ownership of the cryptocurrency. The next section of trading pertains to margin trading. In this section, trading with leverage is possible, and one of the features of this type of trading is that, for example, you can enter a trade with $100 and multiply it several times over. Both profits and losses can be multiplied, so it is suitable for professional users with a high level of experience in risk management. The next section is related to the trading bot, where you can review the automated execution of trading strategies using algorithms. The ability to set parameters such as buy and sell timing, risk management, and automatic repetition are among the features of the trading bot in the KuCoin exchange. And as you can see, the Pro label in this section means that this tool has more advanced features. The next section is related to Convert, which is the simple conversion of cryptocurrencies. The easiest way to convert one cryptocurrency to another is done from this section and without needing to enter the spot trading panel. It's suitable for beginners, and fast conversion is one of the features of this section. To quickly convert currencies on the KuCoin exchange, we go to the Convert section. First, you enter the amount of the currency you want to pay, for example USDT, and then select the target currency such as Bitcoin. Then, by clicking on the Convert to BTC option, the conversion is done instantly and without any fees. And as you can see, a page will open for you indicating that you have received this amount of Bitcoin. We click on the Confirm option and you can check your currency conversion history in this section. As you can see, your transaction history for currency conversion is displayed here with the date, time, amount, and quantity. And in the status section, it shows as successfully completed. The next section is related to API services, where you can connect your account to personal software or external bots. One of the features of this section is that it is very suitable for advanced users who want to conduct their trades through personal software. By clicking on the Create API Key option, you can create your account in this section. The next section is related to pre-market trading. Trading before official listing. In this section, you can purchase cryptocurrencies that have not yet been officially listed, giving you earlier access to high-risk, high-potential tokens before others. This section is suitable for risk-taking and professional traders. The next section is about new and emerging cryptocurrencies. In this section, tokens that have recently been listed on the platform are introduced, and it's possible to discover new projects with potential for growth. This section is also suitable for spotting new opportunities and reviewing emerging projects. In the trading section, you can see the search bar where you can easily search for various projects or filter them based on different categories, such as your favorites, AI-related projects, projects that are backed by digital dollars, and by clicking on the More option, you can also apply additional filters for even more specific results. We have explained the trading section for you. The next section is about the derivatives part. The derivatives of the KuCoin exchange are shown, which are one of the most important trading tools for professional traders. The first option is related to futures overview, and by clicking on this section, you will be taken to a page where you can view and access all available futures contracts. This section is very useful for comparing different assets, interest rates, trading volumes, and market details. By clicking on the Start Trading option, you will be able to start trading futures. The next section of derivatives is related to USD margined contracts. Futures contracts based on USDT are linear contracts. In this type of trading, your collateral or margin, as well as your profits and losses, are calculated based on USDT. This model is suitable for traders who prefer to work with a stable asset like a stablecoin, and for whom the volatility of major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum carries a high risk. For example, a Bitcoin USDT contract means you are predicting the price of Bitcoin, but everything is settled in USDT. The next section is about coin margin contracts. Inverse contracts based on coins. Here, the collateral and profit and loss are calculated based on the coin being traded itself, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. This type of contract is suitable for professional users who want to increase their digital assets. For example, in Bitcoin coin margin contracts, your margin and profit are calculated in Bitcoin, not in USD. The next section is related to futures perks. The special advantages of futures trading are reviewed in this section. This section includes promotional events, trading rewards, fee discounts, or bonuses for active users in the futures market. Reviewing this section will be useful for taking advantage of discounts and rewards. And from the referral program section, you can get your referral link from the KuCoin exchange and invite your friends and acquaintances to this exchange by sending it to them. The next section is about leveraged tokens. This section is related to leveraged tokens that do not get liquidated. These are tokens that allow you to gain multiple times the profit or loss from the price fluctuations of a cryptocurrency without the need for margin or managing liquidation risk. For example, BTC3L means a Bitcoin token with 3 times long leverage. The advantage of this section is easy trading without the need for complex management. And regarding the risk, the daily returns are reset, so it's not suitable for long-term holding. The next part is about options trading. Options trading. This section is related to advanced financial instruments that allow users to bet on price fluctuations without owning the underlying asset. The common type works as you see, buying and selling, with the advantage that losses are limited to the amount of the premium paid. This section is suitable for professional traders with hedging or speculative strategies. Overall, the derivatives section in this exchange is suitable for traders who want to work with instruments like futures, leveraged tokens, and options. Each section is designed according to the trader's needs, experience, and strategy, and offers advanced features for trading with controlled risk. The next section is about Earn, which is an all-in-one tool for managing digital assets that helps you generate income from your cryptocurrencies without needing any special technical knowledge. This section is divided into 4 main subsections, which include Overview, Balance, Advanced, and Specialized. In the first part, you can see the KuCoin Earn section. This section allows you to earn passive income from your digital assets without the need for active trading or complex knowledge. Various tools, including but not limited to staking, savings, and structured products, are accessible here, each specifically designed to help you match your risk tolerance and investment goals. KuCoin Earn has solidified its position as one of the top cryptocurrency investment platforms by winning 2 prestigious international awards. It was named the best crypto staking platform by Forbes and also the best crypto staking platform by Investopedia. On this page, you can see the profitability dashboard, which briefly displays the key information about your investments. In the Assets section, the total value of your assets in KuCoin Earn is shown. In the Yesterday's Profit section, you can see the profit you earned yesterday, and in the Total Profit section, you can view the total profit you have earned so far. There are also 2 useful links in this section. The Analysis link allows you to view the performance analysis of your assets, and the View More option lets you see more detailed information about your profits or losses, as well as other financial details of various investment products in this section. It shows you the interest rate, duration, features, and status of that asset. Further down, you can see Advanced Smart Investment Management Tools. In the Auto Earn section, which is currently disabled here, you can automatically enable participation in profitable products. And in the Smart Earn section, the best investment options are automatically selected based on your assets. This is especially suitable for beginner traders who do not have enough knowledge about the products. Further down, you can see the selectable investment strategies, where 3 options are available for choosing the type of investment strategy. The first option is Balanced, which balances profit and risk. The second option is Advanced, higher profit with moderate risk. And in the Aggressive section, the focus is on high profit with high risk. Overall, in the KuCoin Earn section, you have access to an ideal solution for earning passive income from cryptocurrencies. By offering a variety of products that include interest-bearing savings with high liquidity, crypto staking with fixed interest rates, limited time event with impressive returns, and smart tools like Smart Earn and Auto Earn, KuCoin has managed to cater to both beginner and professional users. In the KuCard section, there's a virtual card that allows you to spend cryptocurrencies like USDT or Bitcoin directly on your everyday purchases. One of the most important features of this card is cashback, where a portion of the amount you spend is returned to your account. Of course, it is currently in the testing phase and will soon be available to the public. The next part of the balancing tools is the savings option. In this section, you can keep your cryptocurrencies in a savings account and receive daily interest. There is no lockup period, and you can withdraw your assets at any time. The interest rate in this section usually varies between 2 to 10% annually and is suitable for people with a low-risk strategy. The next section is related to staking. In this section, your cryptocurrency is locked on the blockchain and participates in the transaction validation process. In return, you receive rewards. Some cryptocurrencies have a fixed lockup period. For example, 30 days, but some also offer a flexible option. This method yields higher returns compared to savings, but has lower liquidity. The next part of the Earn section is related to promotions. In this section, KuCoin introduces projects with high interest rates for a limited time. You are able to participate in these projects and benefit from more attractive rates compared to the regular options. This section is suitable for those who are looking for short-term opportunities and high returns. The next section is about KCS staking. If you stake KuCoin's native token, KCS, you will receive daily rewards and also participate in the platform's governance process. Additionally, you will gain access to exclusive launchpads such as Spot Live and special airdrops in this section. If you have any questions about this, you can check the FAQ section to find answers to your questions. The next section, which is the third part, is SharkFin. In the Advanced Tools section, there is the SharkFin option. It is suitable for those who want to have low risk but earn higher returns. In this method, if the asset price stays within a certain range, you will receive a higher profit. Even if it moves out of that range, your principal investment will still be protected. If you encounter any questions in any section, you can check the Frequently Asked Questions section for answers to your questions. The next section covers advanced tools related to this part, which is an advanced tool that enables combined investment. The trader predicts that the price of the currency will reach a specific value, and if the prediction is correct, they will receive a higher profit. However, if the price moves in the opposite direction, their asset may be converted into another currency. For example, Bitcoin to USDT or vice versa. The next section in this part is the snowball feature, which is a suitable tool for professional traders who are seeking high profits but are also somewhat risk tolerant. The function of this tool is similar to SharkFin, with the difference that if there are sharp fluctuations, the profit decreases or may even become zero. The principal is not protected under all circumstances. In the fourth section of the Earn options, specialized tools are reviewed. The first part is Crypto Lending Pro. In this section, you can lend your cryptocurrency to other users at your desired interest rate. This process is peer-to-peer and allows you to customize the interest rate, duration, and amount. It is suitable for professional traders who want precise control and investment. The next section is Spotlight, KuCoin's official launchpad for introducing new crypto projects. By staking KCS, you can participate in token launches and IDOs. This method is highly profitable because the token price usually increases after listing. However, it requires careful examination of the projects. By clicking on the View More option, you can review additional items. The next section is KCS Loyalty, which is a special loyalty program for KCS token holders. Traders who stake this token receive fee discounts, exclusive airdrops, early access to projects, and even governance privileges. And the last part of the Earn section is related to Gempool. In this section, users can participate in new project airdrops by locking certain tokens. This tool is considered risk-free because you receive free tokens simply by locking your assets. There's no need for direct investment. Overall, the KuCoin Earn section is one of the most comprehensive asset management platforms in the cryptocurrency space. With a variety of tools ranging from low risk to high risk, every user, from beginners to professionals, can implement their own unique earning strategy on this platform. I recommend that before using any tool, you carefully review its terms and level of risk to get the best results from your investments. The next section pertains to institutional, which offers a range of advanced financial and infrastructural services to meet the needs of financial institutions, investment funds, asset management companies, and professional traders. This section includes several subsections, the first of which is Institutional Home, a digital asset management community portal for professional institutions. This section is the main entry point for institutional users into the KuCoin ecosystem. By providing centralized access to investment tools, risk management, professional reporting, and dedicated services, it enables professional users to manage their digital assets in an integrated and structured manner. By clicking on the Apply option, you enter the account opening process in this section. The next option pertains to the broker, a brokerage partnership program with a competitive commission structure. In this section, eligible companies and individuals can collaborate with KuCoin as brokerage partners and benefit from competitive commissions by attracting new clients or managing their assets. This partnership also includes technical and marketing support. By clicking on the Join Us option in this section, you can register and start collaborating with the KuCoin exchange. The next section is related to API services, an advanced infrastructure for executing automated trades. KuCoin offers a set of dedicated APIs for institutional users, providing stable, fast, and secure connectivity to the platform's trading engine. These APIs are suitable for algorithmic strategies, high-frequency trading (HFT), and automated execution of asset management strategies. By clicking on the Create API Key option, you can access and set up these services. The next section is about VIP lending, low-interest financing exclusively for VIP users of the KuCoin exchange. In this section, financial institutions and professional users can benefit from loan facilities with competitive interest rates. The lending structure includes flexibility in setting the term, type of collateral, and amount of capital, which makes liquidity management and taking advantage of market opportunities easier. If you have any questions about any of these sections, you can check the answers to your questions through the frequently asked questions. The next section is about VIP benefits, which provides access to exclusive advantages for premium users. The VIP benefits program offers a range of special services and privileges, including discounted trading fees, dedicated support, access to exclusive products such as Spotlight and Launchpad, and airdrop opportunities for premium users. This structure provides a personalized trading experience and greater added value. As you can see, you are able to review this in various sections. In this section, your current level is displayed. The fee status is shown, and below that, the requirements for upgrading to VIP Level 1 are listed. You need to meet one of the 3 conditions within the last 30 days in order to be upgraded to VIP Level 1. Users who are consistently active on KuCoin can upgrade to higher VIP levels by increasing their trading volume or holding KCS tokens and benefit from the advantages of this section. The next section is related to Market Maker. The Market Maker program is designed to increase liquidity and earn rewards. This section is dedicated to professional market makers who help improve market performance by providing stable liquidity. In return for this participation, KuCoin offers rewards such as partial trading fee rebates, preferential fee rates, and access to exclusive markets. The next section is related to the More option, which includes 4 main categories: promotions, information, applications, and Web3. The first section, promotions, contains several subcategories. The first option is Paisade, which is a special campaign where you can earn rewards up to $100,000 by participating in trades and specific activities. By clicking the register option, you can take part in this carnival. The next section is about the affiliate program, which is a sales partnership program where you can earn up to 60% commission as a representative, leader, or influencer. By clicking the Apply Now option, you can register and receive your exclusive link from the exchange, and by sharing it with your friends and acquaintances, you can earn commission from the exchange. The next section is the Rewards Hub, which is the main center for accessing and viewing new rewards and points while trading. In this section, you can earn rewards such as discount coupons or USDT tokens by completing specific missions like trading in futures or using trading bots. To activate any of these tasks, you just need to click on the register button and fulfill its requirements. The next section is Gem Vote, where you can simply vote for your favorite cryptocurrency tokens to be listed on the exchange currently. In this section, by collecting votes through completing missions and then voting for your desired tokens, you can help the most popular projects get listed on the exchange. As you can see, you can view the number of votes each token has and related information in this section. The next section is about the referral program. With the Friend Invitation program, you can earn up to 35% commission by referring your friends. Your personal referral link is located here, and by clicking the Invite Now option, you can directly invite your friends. The next section under the More option is the Information section, which includes several subsections. The first part is Learn and Earn. In this section, you receive cryptocurrency education along with rewards for learning. As you can see, there are articles in this section that you can study to learn. As you can see, the learning steps in the KuCoin exchange are displayed for you in this section. The next option is related to KuCoin Learn. This section is a specialized learning platform for the crypto and Web3 fields. You can review various topics in this section regarding crypto and Web3 trading. By clicking on View More, additional sections will be displayed for you. The next section is related to announcements. Official announcements and important KuCoin updates are located in this section, and you can review and search all items from this navigation bar. In the search bar section, you can easily look up any items you wish to search for. Simply type in what you need. The next section is related to the blog. In this section, the official blog for specialized analyses and blockchain content is displayed for you, and by using filters, you can view the blogs in detail. In the All section, it displays all items for you, and by clicking the Next option, we change the page. The next section is related to news. In this section, you can review the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency market. And here, by filtering, you can view the items related to each category. The next section is Research, where you can review market analyses and detailed project reports. In the search bar section, you can also search for the analyses you are interested in. The next section is related to applications, with the first option being API services. In this section, there are automated trading tools with the benefits of a dedicated API for professional users. And by clicking on Create API Key, you can join this section. The next option is KuCoin Pay. In this section, a crypto-compatible payment solution is presented for users and merchants. By clicking on Start Paying with Crypto, you can begin using this feature. The next section is related to the community, where you can see the KuCoin user community. Airdrop sharing, trading strategies, and experience exchange are all available in this section. At the top of the page, you can see the social platforms, and by clicking on each of them, you can explore the content related to that platform. The next section is about security, where you can find tools and security features to protect your assets. And in the Web3 section, you can see the KCC option, KuCoin Community Chain. In this section, we can explore Web3-based features. KuCoin's dedicated blockchain for NFT, DeFi, and Web3 applications is available here. With the developer docs, you can review the topics related to this section. Overall, the More menu in this exchange provides users with a comprehensive set of incentive tools, educational resources, practical services, and Web3 features. This section offers tools for learning, earning, enhancing security, and community participation to both active users and developers. The next section is about deposits, which you can access by clicking the green deposit icon. In this part, we will explain how to deposit cryptocurrency into your KuCoin exchange account completely, accurately, and securely. If you also intend to transfer cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange to your KuCoin account for the first time, stay with us until the end of this tutorial. After entering the deposit section in the currency selection section, you must specify which currency you intend to deposit. Select your desired cryptocurrency. As you can see, commonly used cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, KuCoin's native token, Ethereum, and others are displayed for you in this section. Select your desired cryptocurrency, and in the next step, you need to choose your transfer network. This step is very important because if you select the wrong network, your funds may be lost forever or require complicated follow-up to recover. For example, for USDT, networks like ERC20, TRC20, and BEP20, which is the Binance Smart Chain, are very commonly used, and sometimes even Solana and Arbitrum are available. So make sure to check that both your source wallet and KuCoin support the same network. Keep in mind that the difference between networks lies in the transaction fees and transfer speed. For example, TRC20 has lower fees and is faster, while ERC20 is more expensive and more congested. And in the address section, you'll be shown a wallet address that you can either copy or scan with your mobile wallet to fund your account. On the right side of the page, you can see the frequently asked questions section, which contains a list of common questions for this part. This section helps you avoid common mistakes and find solutions if you encounter any problems. At the bottom of the page, there is the deposit history, which shows you the record of your previous deposits. Here, you can check which currency was deposited, on what date, in what amount, and what the status of your deposit is. In this section, completed means the transaction was fully and successfully processed. Also, by clicking on the three-dot option, you can directly view the transfer status on the blockchain. Please make sure that before funding your account, the sending and receiving networks are in fact the same. Carefully check this to avoid any issues. At the top of the page, you can see the fiat deposit section. In this section, if you want to deposit fiat currency like euros or dollars into your KuCoin account instead of cryptocurrency, you need to go to the fiat deposit section. In the fiat section, we can select the desired currency for deposit. Here, the default is set to euro. By clicking on the drop-down menu, you can also see other available currencies. Of course, this depends on the country you are in and may vary. After you select your desired currency, you'll see a gray message in the payment method section. Currently, fiat deposits are not available for the region we are in, but KuCoin has promised that this service will soon be available in more regions. Here as well, it notifies you that payment methods will soon be available for the region we are in. Methods for buying cryptocurrency with fiat. If this section is enabled for us, there are two main methods for buying cryptocurrency with fiat. Credit and debit cards, which means using credit or debit cards such as Visa and MasterCard. Processing these types of transactions is instant, and in this section, you are able to buy and sell using this method. The next section is peer-to-peer, which involves buying from other users through bank transfer, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and more than 30 other different methods. This is also processed instantly. Further down, you can see the deposit history, which, similar to the previous section, displays information about your previous deposits. This information includes the amount, payment method, fee, order status, transaction ID, and the time they were made. In general, if you are in a country where fiat deposit is enabled for KuCoin, you can directly deposit fiat currency using a bank card or the P2P method and purchase cryptocurrency with it. Otherwise, KuCoin will notify you that this service is not yet available in your region, and you will need to use alternative methods such as crypto deposit, which we explained in the previous section. The next part is about withdrawal. When you enter this section, the exchange warns us that we must complete several important security steps before withdrawing funds. As you can see at the top, it says that these security steps must be completed before making a withdrawal. These steps are divided into two categories: recommended steps and mandatory steps. In the first section, your email address must be verified and linked to your account, which we have already done. And in the required section, these two items must definitely be activated before you start making withdrawals. You need to enable your trading password to increase withdrawal security and set a password which is different from your login password. By clicking on the Create button, you enter the settings and set this password. And the second part relates to two-factor authentication or your phone number. You must have two-factor authentication enabled. This authentication can be done either through the Google Authenticator app or your mobile number. To activate it, you need to click on the Create option. As long as these two security steps are not activated, it is not possible to withdraw from your account. These measures are taken to protect the security of users' assets and prevent unauthorized access. So, if you intend to withdraw cryptocurrency from your KuCoin account, you must first have verified your email. Set a trading password and enable two-factor authentication. After completing these steps, the withdrawal section will be activated for you, and you can enter the destination wallet address, the type of currency, and the withdrawal amount to complete your withdrawal. We have explained this process in full in the video about withdrawals on the KuCoin exchange, and the last section is related to your deposit and withdrawal history, where by clicking on it you can review your deposit history, withdrawal history, and transfer history. The next section is related to assets, where at the top of the drop-down menu you can see your account balance. In this menu, the first option is the funding account. This account is recognized as the main entry and exit point for assets on the KuCoin exchange. When depositing or withdrawing, cryptocurrencies must first be placed in this account. Buy and sell transactions in the P2P market are carried out from this account. In most cases, to make trades, you first need to transfer your assets from this account to your trading account. On this page, by clicking on Account Details, you can review the details of your trading account. The next option in this menu is the Trading Account. This account is specifically for spot trading, and to buy or sell cryptocurrencies in the spot market, your assets must be in this account. You can also quickly transfer assets between this account and other accounts. For example, if you want to buy or sell Bitcoin, you first need to transfer it to your trading account. The next section is related to your margin account. In a margin account, you should be aware that if the price drops, there is a risk of liquidation and losing your entire capital. This account is designed for leverage trading, and traders can increase their trading volume by borrowing assets from the exchange. An important point is that using margin trading requires knowledge and a high level of risk management, and currently we do not have a margin account on KuCoin exchange to display its information to you. The next option is related to the futures account. The futures trading account can be used for conducting derivative trades, such as, for example, futures contracts. It is possible to use high leverage to increase your profits or losses, and in this section you can bet on whether the price of a currency will go up or down. Futures trading involves high volatility and significant risk. Do not enter these trades without sufficient knowledge. If you wish to open a futures account, you can create your account by selecting this option. The next option is options trading. The options trading account is designed for users who intend to use options contracts. Unlike futures, in this type of trading you have the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset. It carries more controlled risk compared to futures, but still requires analytical knowledge. If you wish to have an options trading account, you can create one by selecting this option and completing the account creation form. The next option is related to the trading bot account. In this account, users are able to use KuCoin's automated trading bots. These bots operate based on strategies such as grid trading or DCA, dollar cost averaging, and traders are able to set their preferred configurations for automated buying and selling. For example, the grid bot automatically buys at the lows and sells at the highs during market fluctuations. The next section is related to financial accounts. This account is specifically for using KuCoin's financial products such as KuCoin Earn, staking, SharkFin, and Ethereum staking. And when you lock your assets in one of these plans, they are transferred to this account. The purpose of this section is to earn passive income from your idle assets. The next part is related to the copy trading account. This account is designed for following the strategies of professional traders. You are able to automatically copy all trades in your account by selecting a trader. The assets allocated for this purpose are held in the copy trading account in this section. In fact, this part is the wallet of your copy trading account. It is possible to view traders' performance before following them, and keep in mind that currently the copy trading section on KuCoin Exchange is not available on the web, and you need to check this feature through the KuCoin Exchange app. The next section at the bottom of this menu includes two options: buy crypto and deposit. To purchase cryptocurrency directly using Visa and MasterCard bank cards or fiat payment methods, you can use this option, and the deposit option is used to receive cryptocurrency from your personal wallet or other exchanges into KuCoin. By clicking on this option, your dedicated wallet address for each cryptocurrency will be displayed. In general, KuCoin's multi-layered account structure allows you to manage deposits and withdrawals through the funding account and conduct spot trading in the trading account. You can use advanced features such as margin, futures, options, and trading bots, invest in financial products to earn profits, or copy the trades of professional traders. The next section is about KuCoin exchange support. By clicking on the logo of this exchange here, we are taken to the main page, and through the support option at the bottom of the page, we enter the Help Center section. On KuCoin Exchange's Help Center page, users have access to a collection of educational and support resources. This section includes practical articles on topics such as how to deposit, trading, password recovery, and obtaining reports. The self-service option is also used for automating certain operations, like resetting passwords or checking the status of transactions. In the FAQ section, the most frequently asked questions by users are answered. Also, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can submit a support request through the Submit Request option, or contact the support team via the online chat available in this section. You are provided with the ability to communicate directly with the support team. This service is available 24/7, every day of the week. At first, a chatbot will appear, and if needed, you can also connect to a human operator. You need to indicate in the chat window that you wish to speak with a human. This section is the best way to follow up on account issues, transactions, or identity verification. The review of the KuCoin exchange ends here. If you have any questions or if any part needs further explanation, feel free to reach out to us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitable trades.